A recent judgment of the Employment Tribunal has seen the first case where the tribunal has ordered an audit of an employer's pay arrangements under the Equality Pay Audit Regulations 2014. The widely reported case of Macken and BNP Paribas London branch saw judgment awarded in favour of the claimant, Stacey Macken. Miss Macken succeeded in her claims for sex discrimination, equal pay and victimisation. In a 98-page judgment, the tribunal outlined in detail how Miss Macken was unlawfully underpaid and was subjected to acts of discrimination that included her being regularly belittled by male colleagues. Aside from the substantial amount of compensation awarded, the case is noteworthy for two reasons. Firstly, as Miss Macken remains employed and currently benefits from coverage under the bank's permanent health insurance scheme, the tribunal concluded that the best way forward was for Miss Macken to remain employed by the bank for the next 15 years until she reached the age of 65. This was not her preferred outcome, with Miss Macken being concerned that the bank would withdraw coverage or terminate her employment. However, the tribunal concluded that the case law afforded Miss Macken a significant amount of legal protection. For those employers who offer permanent health insurance as a benefit, this judgment serves to highlight the importance of considering the application of this benefit when considering dismissal on medical grounds. Without continuation of this cover, the bank's exposure in this case would have been substantially higher. Secondly, the order to complete an equal pay audit gives the first indication of when an employment tribunal will exercise its powers to require an audit. Here, the bank will be required to identify the pay differences between its male and female employees, explain the reasons for those differences, and set out a plan on how it intends to prevent such breaches occurring in the future. It should therefore act as a warning to those employers who fail to tackle historic and systemic equal pay issues. It is not yet known whether either party will appeal against the tribunal's judgment.